Building a customer support performance dashboard has never been this easy. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our customer support data with a simple click. The file uploads instantly, and now we click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI immediately gets to work, analyzing our customer support metrics and identifying the most valuable insights to visualize. The artificial intelligence examines response times, satisfaction ratings, agent performance scores, and inquiry patterns. It's automatically determining the best chart types for each data relationship. Watch as it creates multiple visualizations simultaneously, building comprehensive analytics for our support team. The AI generates bar charts for resolution times, distribution charts for satisfaction ratings, scatter plots comparing agent performance, and detailed breakdowns by inquiry type. It's also creating summary tables with key performance indicators. Each visualization is optimized for clarity and business impact. The system intelligently groups related metrics and ensures every chart tells a meaningful story about our customer support operations. Perfect! Our customer support performance dashboard is complete with 8 dynamic charts and 2 summary tables. Now we can customize the theme to match our brand. Let's switch to presentation mode to see how this looks for stakeholders. In presentation mode, everything is optimized for meetings and reports. Charts are enlarged, text is enhanced for visibility, and navigation is streamlined for seamless presentations. This view is perfect for executive briefings or team reviews. Back to normal view, we can interact with every element. Drill down into specific data points and explore the insights dynamically. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.